Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Key. So as I said earlier, after you watch Primetime News, you may want to go to the gas station as effective tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will be selling for 25 cents more. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will also go up by 25 cents. 25 cents will also be 25 cents will be taken off, however, from propane, while butane will rise by 25 cents. Of course, each gas station will do their various calculations for their differing prices. Let's head to some news in the banking sector now. Vice President of the Jamaica Bankers Association, JBA, Audrey Tugwell Henry, has responded to the critique by the Bank of Jamaica that local financial institutions are too slow in moving up interest rates for both deposits and loans. In an interview with TVJ News, Mrs. Tugwell Henry says local banks understand the work of the central bank in targeting inflation in a particular band.
And we are well aware that we are outside of that band. As an industry, though, monetary policy transmission takes time because we're impacting customers, and we're impacting customers not just in terms of deposits but also in terms of loans. And to change lending rates require regulatory notice to our customers, which we have to meet, and we also have to consider issues of impact to credit quality.
Now, she says the banks agree that rates have to move up, and many have started the process. As it relates to moving up the rate paid out on deposits, she says a number of factors must also be considered.
Any movement in interest rates impacts both sides, both the deposits and the lending. And we have responsibilities in terms of managing, our balance sheets. And we have responsibilities to managing for, in terms of return for shareholders and so on. So the deposit rates may appear slow to move, but that is because of the implications of movements in lending rates. And I think that is something that every Jamaican has to understand, that as deposit rates move, so will lending rates.
Let's head to the currency market now. The US dollar is being sold for an average $153.44. $113.88 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $185.92 for the pound, while it's costing an average $164.59 for the euro. The JSE index rose by 86 points today, while the junior market index gained 67 points. Among the winners were Main Event Entertainment Group, Diamond Trading, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Mayberry Investments, and Wigton Wind Farm. The losers included Trans-Jamaican Highway 8% shares, Epley 7.25% preference shares, Stanley Motor, Palace Amusement, and Indies Pharma Jamaica. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.